Hello guys, we're unboxing this scrapey blind bag. And her name of this blind bag is Mika Maya. If you also you want to say also you want to call her Maya or Mika. Just don't scream. Oh my god, don't see. Pictures. It's all blood. Death. Mika Maya Lazar. She loves Hello Kitties. Mom and daddy. Just a kid. This is her. She's there. And this is her mom, her sisters. This is her sister. She's real super sexy over there. She smokes sexy. Oh my god. Ghost. This is her mom, the rabbit. Oh my god. I'm so scared of this right now. Don't ever see this. You can see that? Let's go check it. Oh my god. This is Mika Maya. This is Mika. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dad's skin. Dead. She's dead. He's over dead. Oh, really? Is this true? See? Mika Maya out just like this. I see over here. Okay. Nothing. See? Oh my god. Go back of my Jesus Lord. Just look in the back. Who's this? It's Mika Maya. It's Mika Maya. It's Maya. No, there's so many blood. Some blood. And also Mika Maya. And she was not diet. He don't have blood, just like this me. Just like me. Don't no blood. And she was dead, have blood. And see that too, there's blood. Oh my god. See you for part 2. Okay, bye.